Hello everyone, I'm Amy from LDS Woodworking Machinery, and now I will show you around our factory. This is our machinery showroom. Show you is CNC drilling machine, CNC medium thread machine, wood cup shaper machine, and CNC cutting machine. This is our sample display area. There are wood knife handles, bamboo and wood covers, brush handles and other bamboo and wood crafts, including copy the shape, drilling the hole, groving and polishing. Our machines can produce all the products you see. If you also make this, please contact us. This is our hot selling machine, wood copy shape machine. The samples you just saw are all made by it. So many machines are in stock. This is our production workshop. The total area of the factory is more than 2,000 square meters. We customize various automatic CNC machines for customers and export to Russia, Germany, Bulgaria, India, Pakistan, Vietnam, Turkey, Italy, Mexico, and so on, more than 20 countries.